Today we're going to talk a little bit about building with 80-20. This aluminum bar, very rigid, you won't bend it very easily. They actually have all of the engineering specs on it as well, but it's super easy to use. I kind of compare it to Mechano, but this is like the adult version. With these you have a number of different fasteners. This is a 90-degree corner bracket. I'll show you how they work. You have the bolts, you have what they call a T-nut, which is essentially a nut that will sit in the trough that you're looking at right here. So here you can see the T-nut will slide one direction into the slot. They also call this T-slot, but then we'll set it there. I'll get my Allen key and tighten it up. And now, if you can see inside of there, you'll see that the T-nut deep inside has sandwiched these two flanges against the corner bracket. That makes an extremely strong and versatile joint. Beauty is I can move this anywhere along here I'd like. But really I'm attaching it to this piece. So today, this is where it's going to go. Once you have your T-nut and your bolt, your washer on the corner bracket, you can then slide that into the trough on the next piece. Then you can snug it up. I'm going to adjust this one as well, because once you have it fitted, often tolerances can be off, but fitting it in place is often the best way to do it. Once the two are flush, you can snug them up. And we now have a joint that has a significant amount of strength. once complete, you have a very strong structure. You can torque it. You can put it on one corner, pull on this, and you get zero flex at all. When I connect all the rest of the pieces together into one big rumble seat slash bed, it's going to be exceptionally strong.